Be a quick pick here. We're going to look at this pretty cool project called YouTube Uploader. I have been looking for something like this for a while. Mark, one of my students on the project, found this, started playing with it. I actually rolled it into a prototype today. So, looking at Elms Media, I'm going to create a video. New video. We're going to choose a video to upload. Pick this random one, just basically recording the background. So this is normally what we've been pursuing here, right? I upload a video, it uploaded to the server, 1.36 megs, whatever. Tag it, video demo tutorial, whatever. Select a course, but this field, and this is the prototypey part, is a YouTube uploader field. So I will upload. And that did not save here. This is pushing it dynamically to YouTube and recording the storage location back here. So now when I save, see, and because this is a prototype, mind you, we've got new video right here. So this is the video being delivered locally. This is the video out on YouTube, which I can now click and go to. We've got that video out on YouTube, me filling out the field. I didn't actually go to YouTube to do this. Pretty neat thing as well. It's tied here, so I can go hit edit. We'll destroy this. Right, let's hit delete. Yep. Get rid of it. And now, if I try to go out to YouTube for that same thing, it should have showed up in my list, but it's not there anymore. So it's got some pretty cool settings on the actual widget. You have to set up your OAuth key and it steps you through it. I use the 7x 2x version to do it, but if we look at my test field here, stepping into the Drupal side, you see there's YouTube settings. Delete the video when it's removed here, so you can actually upload a whole bunch of videos, attach them to one node, delete the individual ones, which is actually going to frag them on YouTube. It's pretty sweet. You can set them to unlisted or public, set the default description that goes out the door, the default tags, and so this is pretty incredibly powerful. You're basically binding your site to a YouTube API, so we can set up our site and have kind of a college YouTube channel, if you will, in which people, instructors, are uploading videos to YouTube, and then we're leveraging the simplicity of it. They don't have to have a YouTube account. It's in our workflows, right? So we know about it in our asset management system, but then we can embed it elsewhere. Another thing we're going to do with this, once we get the workflow right, is we integrate it with the remixables. And so we're going to throw in an iframe. And the iframe, if you will, the direct link, is going to throw up the YouTube video. If we detect you can't get a YouTube video, let's say you're in, some government doesn't blocks YouTube, many do, and so or your connection, your company network blocks it, they will actually be able to fall back to our server internally and be able to still deliver you this video without increasing call volume, if you will, right? So we'll fall back on this. We're going to start to do similar things in areas of accessibility as well, dynamically falling back to more accessible forms of media and the like. So very cool project. Suggest checking it out. YouTube_uploader. Make sure you get the 7x 2x and you read how to set it up. It's pretty easy, especially if you know drush as a command. It gets things and puts them in place.